Becky deserves this award because she represents the very best in school facility leadership. She's led major capital projects here in Platteville, improved our schools, and built strong relationships across our district and community. I'm especially proud that she may be the first woman to receive this award, and that really speaks to her impact.
The phrase that comes to my mind is low maintenance. And that's odd because she is the director of maintenance, but with Becky, when something needs to be done, it is done right the first time, and you never have to look back.
The purpose of the Wisconsin School Facility Manager of the Year Award is to recognize the recent outstanding contributions of the recipient to their local school district and community, to the school facility manager profession, and to WASBO. Becky Heins, Facility Maintenance Director for the Platteville School District, is receiving the 2026 Wisconsin School Facility Manager of the Year Award because of her proactive approach to school safety, her successful management of multi-million-dollar facility projects and capital referendums over her 31 years of service, her deep commitment to continuous professional development, and her role in mentoring others as a founding member of the Women of WASBO. Congratulations, Becky.
Her biggest accomplishment is her leadership in school safety here in Platteville. She's been a key part of district safety leadership teams, led meaningful improvements like secure entryways, updated building maps, better communication systems, and coordinated reunification planning.
She has served as an inspiration to our students for the generations that have come through our buildings, and for the kids that are here, and for the kids that will be here next year.
Receiving this award is a tremendous honor. After 31 years with the Platteville School District, this recognition is especially meaningful to me, and I'm deeply grateful. I'd like to acknowledge our business manager, Dimitri Andrews, for taking the time to nominate me. I truly value the strong working relationship that we share. I also sincerely thank those who wrote letters of recommendation on my behalf. Your support and confidence in my work means a great deal to me. I'd like to recognize my team, whose dedication and hard work make everything we accomplish possible. This award belongs as much to them as it does to me. I'm also grateful to the administrators, teachers, and staff of the Platteville School District who supported and collaborated with me throughout the years. I want to extend my thanks to the members of our school board for their leadership and continued support. Their commitment to our schools enables us all to perform at our best, and especially to WASBO for the excellent training opportunities and materials that have helped me succeed in my career. Lastly, to my parents, thank you for instilling in me a strong work ethic that has guided my career. And to my husband and children, your love and support mean everything to me. I could not have achieved this without you. Working in a traditionally male-dominated field has presented both challenges and opportunities. I take pride in demonstrating that dedication, knowledge, and a strong work ethic, not gender, define success in this role. And I hope my journey encourages others to pursue opportunities with confidence and to take pride in their work. This recognition motivates me to continue striving for excellence and take pride in the work that we do every day. And I want to just say thank you again for this incredible honor.